Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play FIFA 14. We will start by covering the essential controls that allow you to move your players and make simple passes across the pitch. Then, we will delve into the basics of taking shots on goal and how to defend against your opponent's attacks. Finally, we will touch upon the different game modes you can explore to enjoy countless hours of football action. Let's get started. To truly dominate offensively, you will want to master your passing game. Learn to deliver perfectly weighted through balls and pinpoint crosses into the box. When it comes to scoring, practice different shot types, from delicate finesse shots to thunderous power strikes. Don't forget to incorporate skill moves. They are crucial for creating space and beating defenders one-on-one, giving you a significant advantage in attack. Effective defense is just as vital as a strong offense. You will need to learn the art of timing your tackles to dispossess opponents without fouling them. Mastering player switching is key to covering spaces and maintaining a solid backline. Furthermore, employing intelligent pressing and containment strategies will help you win the ball back quickly and efficiently, turning defense into attack in an instant. For those looking to elevate their game, focus on advanced techniques. Practice your set pieces, turning free kicks and corners into genuine scoring chances. Dive into the popular career mode to manage your favorite club or build your dream squad in Ultimate Team. Remember, customizing your team's tactics can make a huge difference, allowing you to fine-tune your strategy for every match. Enjoy the game.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.